All right. Looks like he put holes in it with his teeth. So we're going to cut this off right here to dig this back out. We'll use that connector piece and we'll cut this. That's the shortest piece I could buy. So that's what we're gonna do. Don't let it run over your foot. All right, so that's down, that'll go down. That's cut, everything's already on there. That's a bucket full of rocks. Eyeballing it versus using the square. Eyeballing it, square. Not bad, not bad. All right, just need to fill that back in. That's in. So that's in there. Yada yada yada. Probably good to do another one, but whatever. All right, I'm gonna use my dirt shovel in 2000 to shovel the gravel back. That was easy. We just it's a little stuck out. Whatever. Probably need another one there, but I figure the dog, it'll disassemble easier if he does it again. Who knows? There we go. Franklin put his foot and I just dumped that in there. It wasn't as heavy as you would think. That's dog teeth. Dog teeth. It's amazing this dog has lived as long as he has. Whatever.